Hi, everybody. Welcome to Flags and Flowers, the Independence Day expression, a visual display of our appreciation for all of the freedoms that's created the economic engine that provides the abundance for us to be able to use our garden for creative endeavors. Plumbago shrubs are from a friend. The plants remind me daily of the gifts of friendship and community, of opportunity for personal growth. Thank you to all the veterans in the past and the present. We honor you. This is possible because of the courage, the ideals, and the values embodied in the Declaration of Independence. So I celebrate all of our opportunity and all of you on this Independence Day and our founding fathers who had the foresight to provide a platform that we could create an economic, social, and creative structure for our country. So this is truly a garden yay moment. I'm thrilled to be here in Flags and Flowers garden that my husband has transformed for the celebration of this Independence Day. We so appreciate being able to have this garden, have the resources, have the freedom of expression, have the abundance to create a wonderful garden that we can share. Enjoy your holiday with family and friends. And if it includes a trip to Williamsburg, that's a wonderful place to learn all about the background of what brought forth the Declaration of Independence and those patriots who signed it during that special time in our history. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Garden Yay! See you again soon.